Hey guys, Sean Pollard here from Melbourne Tractors. We're here to talk to you today about our Merlo Tele Handler range. Today we're going to take you on a walk around on our Merlo P27.6. This machine's been a really popular machine for our clients and really popular within the hire market. It's only about 2 metres in height and about 1840 wide. In that size though, it offers one of the biggest cabs, so quite comfortable for our operators to sit inside for long periods of a day. Each machine comes with a tack lock quick hitch mounted to the front, which means when our customers need to change attachments, it's done at the joystick inside the cab. Merlo have got a load management system, which means when you change attachments, it'll instantly recognise a Merlo branded attachment when it's engaged. If we have a quick look at the front of the machine, we'll see that we've got a rigid axle on the front, which is bolted to the chassis of the machine. Our rear axle is a swivel-based axle. You'll also see we've got lights and indicators, so these machines come from factory, ready to be road registered if we need them to be. We also see it's got a front window guard, well covered for what our clients may need on certain work sites. A fuel point with a 70 litre fuel cell in the front, which is well covered also by our plates on front. Merlo have some unique design applications on their machines, and you'll see on our boom we've got lateral welding through our boom, so more durable, high strength for the applications that we need to throw at it. Okay, so looking at the rear of the Merlo, we also have rear working lights. We have a rear camera, so it gives us easy visibility from the operator's cab. We also have a standard factory tow hitch, and we've got access ports to the areas that we need to, whether it's our batteries or in the back of our main arm itself. What you'll also notice about the Merlo boom is everything is inside. So it's well protected, less chance of wear and tear, both externally and from prolonged use. Another unique feature of our Merlo is the cold pressed steel that we have running around the body of our Merlo here. It's good for weight distribution and also good in a sense of a safety barrier when we're up on sites as well. We've got a low line bonnet, which means we've got good visibility from the cab, and when that arm's all the way down, there's no obstruction for our operator looking out the glass. The P27.6 is fitted with a Kohler engine. Nice and compact, easy to work on from our mechanics point of view and our daily checks for what our operators need to check. So we'll take a quick look inside the cab. With our door, it's a two-piece door, which allows us to open that top section, lock that into place, and we can close the lower section if we need to operate like that. Our electric control joystick allows us to control the loader arm on the fly, both lift and lower, tilt and crowd, and extend and retract. On the joystick we also have control for drive, so we've got our forward, reverse and neutral, as well as off our toggle off the steering wheel as well. We've got 3 different drive styles in there. We've got our 2-wheel steer, our all-wheel steer and our crab steer, which means you can get into any application and any area on most work sites, including those tight areas. If the operator finds that they're using attachments where they're pushing the limits, our onboard camera and display will actually give them some pre-warning. So we've got some light indicators on the dash. We've also got some external light indicators that on the worksite people outside the machine can see. If they find themselves in a position where they've overused the machine or putting it in an area where it's unsafe, it'll lock itself out. We've got an override key that'll allow us to bring it back into that safe parameter and get back to work safely. Thanks for taking the time to come on a quick walk around with me on the Merlos. If you're interested in finding out a bit more about the product, our range and how we can help you, we've got a few in stock at the moment, so please give us a call. We're located at both Dandenong and SOMERTON.